So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna teach you how to sing it, all right? Now I want you to sing this thing from your diaphragm. So you're gonna need to fill up air in here so we can get a strong, clean vocal. I bet you ain't think you was gonna get a voice lesson at the last dance. No, sir. But check this out, right? I need it to be very, very loud. Can y'all do that for me? All right. So I want you to repeat after me. Say, who hurt you? Say, who hurt you? Say, who hurt you, baby? Who hurt you, baby? Okay. One more time. This side. You ready? Say, who hurt you? Say, who hurt you? Say, who hurt you, baby? Who hurt you, baby? Say, who hurt you? Say, who hurt you? Say, who hurt you, baby? Who hurt you, baby? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I think we ready, y'all. Okay.